Welcome back to a new video. I haven't posted like since 5 days or a week. I'm sorry for this delay,
I
guys.
haven't eaten
I'm
in
sorry.
ages.
Oh, I smell
something
something tasty.
tasty.
I'm continuing my journey about how you beat every level. So, if y'all need help, feel free to comment my video, say how you beat this level. I really would like to record a video what level y'all need. If you tell me what level y'all stuck on, I will respond and I will instantly make a video how you can beat it. Alright? So, just Jefferson just call me so much, bro. Call me while I was in church. That's the one I didn't even like. Better hurry up. Come on, come on. Yes.
That looks good. And you got the pickles. Well, I guess I can't eat you now. But you better get out of here before I start thinking about dessert.
You big bat. Mostly you don't need help on this level. If y'all need help, I don't know what to say to y'all. If y'all need help on this level, it's so easy. You don't even need help on this level. I think. Come on, let's go. This is not the okay. Well, this is not the way we're supposed to be going on a trip, but this is not a trip. Guys, if I die, it's because like I don't know why I die. If I die, it's just mistakes or something. All this made, but the part. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta get out of here. I think this is the second level of so easy. What? No way he's that fast. Oh, I can't even teleport. I didn't even start. For some reason I can't even teleport. Well, I don't know. Oh, don't copy what I do, people, because the key could be anywhere. just my brother just went in. Bro. No, 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 no. Alright, bye guys. We'll do it tomorrow. No, I cannot make y'all sad, bro. I don't want to get subscribed, so I'm doing this. This is the last level. I'm technically scared because I really don't want to do this again. I just like me suffering, bro. Y'all some weirdos. That noise genuinely just scared me. Bro. I don't like this, bro. And I also don't like how the way it came out. Seven, 3, 7. Okay, that's kind of that. I got good now. 7, 3, 7. Seven, 3, 7. 7, 3, 7. Wow, I'm waiting for the monster to come. I'm just gonna squish my brother squishy. Got 2 of them. Still going after for that needle. My brother do got the gummy bear needle, but I can't have it though. Yeah. Oh, which one we going here? Oh, this one. Well, I keep doing these videos that Willie Cake. I just don't like that. After this, I'm ending this video. Because YouTube probably just stop recording when I'm doing this video. Okay, alright, bye guys.